after getting completely soaked in the last video.
Oh, the sun is coming out. Oh no, now it's... Oh, okay.
We weren't ready to head home just yet, so we took the long way, around Lake Thun and over the Brünig Pass. The roads down by the lake, still wet and full of slow traffic. I could not find a safe spot to overtake this really slow driver. But then, the rain stopped, the pass was dry, and the drive turned out absolutely amazing.
Oh, a tunnel. Whoa, guys. That road, man. We're definitely gonna come back here when it's dry and sunny. Because now, yeah, it isn't optimal. And 80 is the perfect speed limit for this type of road. Because the corners are so tight, man. Really wet, so we need to watch out. The scenery here, oh my god, it's so sick. Alright guys, we are now at the Thuner See. We decided to go around the lake. It's the Thuner Lake, and this is the view we have here. Oh my god, so nice. So nice. Imagine being here with nice weather. These tunnels though are so cool. Oh my god. It's after work. It's around 7:30 p.m. Weather is not so nice, but the funny thing is, my friend who's on the bike also applied for the same job as me. Because I told him how nice the job was and he was thrilled, so he applied for the job. And then next week he's gonna have like his test work day where they're gonna decide if he's gonna get the job. If you like this video so far, guys, please leave a like down below. Also consider subscribing if you want to see more content like this. Obviously in the summer we're gonna go on the mountain passes, Sustenpass, Klausenpass, Nuvenen-Pass, you name it, man, all the Swiss passes. Oh my god, guys, can you see the navigation? I hope you can see it, it's so funny. What the heck is that? Ah, yeah, it would be 80, but people are having 50. Oh my god, it hurts me so much. Not gonna sit up his ass, but still, it hurts, man. Wow, this corner would have been so nice. I don't mind any slow people, but oh, please let me overtake, man. I'm dying inside. Wow, that rock, man. Look at that. Okay. It is so frost. Oh my god, man. My heart is melting. Here could be a place where I can overtake. Now, yes, we have another one in front of us. Now we have a free row. It's still slippery. It's kind of a bit wet. It's the Brünig Pass. Man, now we have the road to ourselves. Woohoo! This is probably the most empty you ever see the Brünig Pass, because it's normally so crowded here. A lot of traffic. Okay, back to the 80 zone. sick. I've driven this road a couple times, but I could never take this turn how I wanted because of traffic. Today is the day, yeah. I mean, it's bad weather, road is cold, it rained, but still, we are having fun. I take a bad road and rain over any traffic all day. And I said it to my friends also many times, this road would be so sick if there was no traffic, if it wasn't so popular road. But a lot of tourists also come here, which is understandable, it's beautiful, but still, you get me. It's insane. For so many corners, I don't even need to brake. Yes, I like these sharp turns, man. Woo! Oh, hell yeah. Now I'm sounding like I'm coming from Alabama. Oh, Alabama. Jokes aside, man. I'm Swiss and I've always been Swiss. My mother's from Scotland though. Woo. Oh yeah. Hell yes. Why do I say hell yes like someone from Alabama? I don't know. But it's fun. Whee! Wow, even with traction control, oh yeah, okay, I'm in sport mode, you get a little slip. That's pretty fun. Really controllable. Not gonna get a lift off oversteer. Heel toe. Okay, yeah, this is the best this road has ever been. If you enjoyed this video, you probably also enjoy this video right here. Otherwise, I'm gonna see you in the next one. Peace out. One last tunnel run.